Do you buy? He doesn't make. He doesn't meet her. Does he eat pizza? I don't go. Do you swim? She doesn't love you. Andy doesn't work. You don't meet. I don't drink. Do you go? They don't. Do they make a chair? They don't make a chair. Do you learn English? Does he make? I don't say. I don't eat pizza. Do they play? They don't lie. Does he drink? He doesn't see. She doesn't love me. Jolly doesn't dance. She doesn't drink. Do you love her? Do you meet Jessica? Do you know that? Do you buy an apple? She doesn't know that. Does he drink? Does Jackson work?
Does Jackson work?
끝. 자, 한번 싹 웃어주고.